Have you been sitting on a desire to start your own online business, but you keep putting it off because you're not sure you're ready? You're not alone. You ask yourself, what if I don't know enough? What will people say? What if I take a step and it doesn't work?
These thoughts are common, but they don't have to hold you back. We have a 90-minute webinar to help you break through that hesitation and finally take action with clarity and confidence. In this free session, you'll discover the real reasons fear shows up, how to shift your mindset from delay to momentum, practical steps to launch, grow, and lead with purpose.
So let us ask you, what would your life look like if you stopped waiting and started? If you're someone who's coachable, teachable, and willing to create a business that works for you, click the link below, sarahkarayuki.net, and reserve your spot now. Your future's waiting, and it starts with one decision. Click the link, sarahkarayuki.net. God bless you.